What's this red button do? Some ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Some ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dressing like a monster on season to swing the next of us for no good reason. Stand on the edge of the train station platform, driving around the movie to the level crossing, where a bunch of tracks between the platform. They may not ride, but they quite walk away. Be safe around trains. A message from Metro.